Here's my ingredients. First, for my stock or sabaw, I have here meat bones, garlic, onion, ginger, salt, and pepper. So, I just only need this for making a stock para sa aking sabaw. So, let's cook the sabaw. Una, I boiled water and I put in my meat. As you can see, I boiled first my meat to rinse or let go the blood from the meat. So I boiled it, then throw away the water first, and then boiled again. Second time boiling for final soup. So I just put in all the garlic and onions and ginger in there and let it boil. Let it boil for 1 hour low fire, and then let us check the soup now. It's boiling. As you can see, it's boiled. After 1 hour, let's check the soup. So as the soup turn into a whitey creamy color. So I just add salt and a little bit of sugar. I don't even add a MSG or added flavoring on it. Just like that is already tasty. So I add white pepper, I scoop out the garlics and onion there. I don't want to see it on my final soup. So let us take it out. Now let's cook the final soup, the seaweeds. I have here seaweeds. You can buy it in any supermarket or in a wet market. They also have there. And I have meatballs and my stock. So let's cook the soup. It's so easy now to make the soup. Now let's make the final soup, seaweed soup. So I put back my stocks in a clean pot and boil it again because it get cold. And I boil it again, and then can you add more water? My stock is not enough, so I add more water. up my seaweed and I need to wash it. Because sometimes there is a sand hiding in there, so you must wash before cooking. Oh, I already put my seaweed into the pot and let it boil. And I let it boil for 5 minutes. And then later on, I just add my meatballs and add more salt and check the taste on it if it is enough. So